Okay, so I know you guys really want to just watch all the drifting stuff. Please give me 20 seconds of your time. So all I need is 20 seconds. I'm so glad that we hit 1,000 subscribers. We could talk a little bit more about it after the drifting stuff. I just really wanted to make sure all you guys heard that. I appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Please keep watching. Tell a friend. Have a great day. Enjoy this drifting video, and then we'll talk later.
In first place for the third time, we've got Julio. Woo! Thanks everybody for coming out and having fun and supporting these guys out here trying to get this competition bug in the drift scene. Look forward to possibly 1 or 2 events this summer and then another 3 events next winter. And follow the Instagram page to get on board with the schedule and the tech rules and everything if you want to drive and get your car up to tech.
Okay, so now that all the important stuff is out of the way, I would just like to breathe a little bit and really tell you guys thank you so much. It means so much to me. We have hit over 1,000 subscribers. It has been 2 years in the making, and I'm just hyped. I also want to say I really hope you guys like that Street League video, since I forgot to even say that part. But so without you guys watching these videos, it's literally just me with a camera, and I'm all lonely, and that's no fun. So literally without you guys, it would not happen. I've said literally too many times in this video already, and I've tried to not. I mean, goodness. So since I've hit over 1,000 subscribers, I was thinking this video might be a little bit different. And I also just kind of had 2 videos that aren't really long enough to be own independent videos. I mean, they are, but whatever. I'm just kind of tossing them in. You know, it's an extra little surprise for you. I got a little extra something for you. I'm going to toss in the Dark Garage Club car meet video that I filmed and posted on Instagram. Since I just showed you guys all the Street League stuff and that video wasn't all that long, and neither is the car club meet, so I was just kind of thinking I could give you a little something extra. And especially, it'll show you guys my appreciation for you, since we have, again, hit 1,000 subscribers. Way too excited about it. It's not even 1,000 anymore. It's like 1,007, still counting. So please stay tuned, subscribe, tell a friend. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
I got pounds, gotta move it across the causeway. Gotta move it across the causeway. I remember times when I ain't have a dime. Now I'm shipping them packs through FedEx all the time. I don't stunt too hard, a little something slight. It's a price on my head, I stay out of sight. If I move wrong, then I die tonight. I stay with all my shooters, they wanna earn their stripes. Little niggas killing, yeah they water right. I stay with all my shooters and catch them races. Why these niggas getting off late? Only cause a nigga hustling all day. I got problems, gotta move it across heard me, I'm in my